Today we're at Swan Bay Road, where council are undertaking a gravel resheet of the road between Davis Road to Waterfront Road. Deputy Mayor Wells and I have been in the last term of council up here several times and understanding that the community want a safer road with better access to their homes.
We know that the maintenance of our roads is a high priority for both the community and council. Following severe periods of wet weather earlier this year, in July, I raised a notice of motion requesting that council investigate ways to enhance the maintenance of gravel roads by increasing the associated budget to better match community expectations.
Today, we're joined by John Maretich, Council's Asset Section Manager. And John's going to tell us a little more about our gravel road maintenance program and the works we're undertaking here at Swan Bay Road.
Council has about 56 kilometres of gravel road of the 700 kilometres in total. Now we undertake a whole range of maintenance, and in particular for gravel roads there are 3 levels of maintenance. One's probably the optimum, where we go through and resheet the whole road with new material. Second level of maintenance is purely reactive, where we go through and inspect the roads after a heavy rain period. And the other type of maintenance where we just go through and clean the sides of the road to try and keep the gravel as dry as possible. Anthony, what are we doing here today?
Today we're doing a gravel resheet, which we've been doing for the last 3 years.
And how much material are we putting on the road?
We're putting about 150 millimetres nominally across the road.
And that will enable us to actually have a better formation of the road to try and keep the road in a dry state. So when it does rain, it can be a much safer drive for our residents.